Welcome back to LASLAS. If you have seen this video, it means you have already subscribed. And I want to personally say thank you for believing in the LASLAS vision. LASLAS was created to empower people from all walks of life. Students, workers, entrepreneurs, and organizations by helping them position themselves for income through simple but powerful digital and telecom-based systems. Now that you are here, the most important thing is structure. Success with LASLAS doesn't come from watching random videos. It comes from following the right steps in the right order. Your next step is simple. Start with the How to Get Started on LASLAS playlists. That playlist will walk you through how LASLAS works, how people position themselves for income, and how you can begin your own journey with clarity and confidence. On this channel, I will break down LASLAS step by step. No hype, no confusion, just clear explanation, practical guidance, and real empowerment. Whether your goal is extra income, business growth, or building a long-term system, LASLAS gives you the foundation to start smart and grow strong. So watch the next video in the playlist, take action as you learn, and stay connected to this channel for continuous guidance. Once again, welcome to LASLAS. This is where your journey truly begins.